United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 143, Marine Scientific Research. 1. Marine scientific research in the area shall be carried out exclusively for peaceful purposes and for the benefit of mankind as a whole, in accordance with Part 13. 2. The authority may carry out marine scientific research concerning the area and its resources, and may enter into contracts for that purpose. The authority shall promote and encourage the conduct of marine scientific research in the area, and shall coordinate and disseminate the results of such research and analysis when available. 3. States parties may carry out marine scientific research in the area. States parties shall promote international cooperation in marine scientific research in the area by a. Participating in international programs and encouraging cooperation in marine scientific research by personnel of different countries and of the authority. b. Ensuring that programs are developed through the authority or other international organizations as appropriate for the benefit of developing states and technologically less developed states with a view to 1. Strengthening their research capabilities. 2. Training their personnel and the personnel of the authority in the techniques and applications of research. 3. Fostering the employment of their qualified personnel in research in the area. c. Effectively disseminating the results of research and analysis when available, through the authority or other international channels when appropriate.